Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss about the AI hackathon. So it's an agentic AI hackathon which is conducted by the IBM, with the sponsorship of watsonx Orchestrate. This particular hackathon, it will be conducted on November 21st to November 23. So it's a 48 hours of hackathon. So all the graduates are eligible to enroll for this and take up this hackathon challenge. So the prize pool for this, it is $10,000. So we shall see the complete details about the hackathon. So as mentioned, it's an agentic AI hackathon. So once you enroll for this, you will be involved in developing the AI hackathon. You'll also get access to various IBM platforms and all. So one should build the AI agents. So it's a 48 hours of hackathon. They are going to give the ideas, and you are supposed to come up with the different innovation and all. So and the first thing is that you'll be getting the hands-on experience in building with the IBM Watsonx Orchestrate, and you'll also develop the practical AI agents, and then you'll also learn directly from experts, and also you'll be getting support throughout the event. And also it's a team up work. Once you sign up, so it's an individual registration. So once you sign up, and later once the hackathon begins, there are some procedures in which you are going to create the account with you are going to create the IBM ID and all. Then you'll be getting to you'll be getting access to all the tools and everything, and then they are going to combine with some teams, like a group of teams, and you are supposed to work with the team, and then you are going to bring the vision. And so the prize pool for this, it is $10,000. So these are the hackathon details. And then coming to the challenge is that one should involve in building the, as we know that AI is booming. So the first thing is that you are supposed to involve in building the agentic AI. So you'll be getting hands-on experience on all these skills and everything. And then the challenge statement, everything. So they are going to give this once the hackathon begins. So these are the details about that. And then other thing is that the technologies, one should have knowledge about the hackathon. First thing is that how the hackathon goes, and it's an online hackathon. And then you have to know bit knowledge on natural language processing, so natural language understanding, speech to text, text to speech, and then cloud end. So these are the skills you have to skills you need to know. And then apart from that, if you are not aware about, so they have provided some materials and the resources. You can just go to that, so that you'll be getting complete idea about the hackathon. So there is a product overview, and then we also have the demo experience and all. So if this is the first time you are taking the hackathon, so you can go through this completely, and you can just will be getting complete idea about that. Like before the hackathon, they are going to give the brief introduction about everything, how to use the tools and all, and then how it works, everything, and the team, everything it will be built. So they are going to give the complete idea about this. So here you can see the demo Byte Songs Orchestrate. You can explore how the generative AI agents work and the assistants. You'll be, if you just click on explore, you'll be exploring various things. And also here they have video also. They have, you can just click on free 30-day trial. You can just go to the video and all. So you'll be getting idea about that. And then so first thing is that you are supposed to enroll for this. You are going to sign up. So for that, you are supposed to enter the mail ID, and you'll be getting the verification code to your respective mail ID. And then in order to get started, you are supposed to enter your first name, last name, and the username, and also other details you are going to complete. And you can just register for the hackathon. So once you sign up or the register for this, you'll be getting the mail for that. And then so these are the next steps, like as the hackathon begins from 21 to 23. So these are the steps which are included once the hackathon begins. So first you are going to create the IBM ID, which is the mandatory thing. In order to access the various IBM cloud services, you need to have the IBM ID. And then so once that is done, the next thing is that you are supposed to request for the cloud account at the hackathon start. So this first step, it hardly take 3 minutes. Like you can just complete this process now. For this, you can just click on this link. So this link will be provided. So you can just click on this link and you can just create the IBM ID. And the next part, like once the hackathon starts, you are supposed to request for the cloud account. So the complete guide, like the instructions, everything, it will be provided. And then once you'll get the access, you can start the hackathon, and all the services, everything, it will be provided. And then the team account rules, like each team, so they are going to divide into team, and each team they will collaborate with one IBM cloud account. And out of that, only like one team member should request for this cloud account. And the participants, they cannot add or remove the team members. And once the work is done, so this should be shared within the team workspace. And then the complete full hackathon guide. So once you register for this, so this link, it will enable once the, like 21st is the start of hackathon, so this will enable on the same day. So you have to register prior that in order to access all this. So these are the complete details about the hackathon and the prizes for this. So the cash for the winner, the cash prize, it's a $5,000, and then that too, it's for per team member. And the second place, so it's a $3,000, and then third place, it will be $2,000. So these are the complete details about this. So first, like what is the procedure to submit, and all, everything is there. So we have the video also for that, submission guidelines and everything. You can just go through these guidelines. So first thing is the basic information, the project title, like the short description, long description, and the technologies that are used. You are supposed to add it. And the cover image, and you are going to prepare the short video on that. So video presentation and the slide presentation, and also the code. So GitHub repository, like the demo about the application platform and the application URL. So hosting and the code repository. So everything you are supposed to prepare in this way. And also the submission guidelines and all. So for everything, for each and every step, the link is given. So you can just go through each of these links, and you'll be getting the complete idea about this. So here you can see the project title, how it should be, the description of that, the technologies and all, how it should represent everything they have mentioned. And also the cover image and the presentation, the format and the aspect ratio, everything. So it should be in this format only. And the video presentation and the slide presentation, it should be in the PDF format. And then the application hosting and the code repository, so like it should be stored in the GitHub, and which should be accessible. So you have to like move all your code changes and make it public. And then also the next thing is the demo application platform. So they have mentioned which platform you have to use, which language you have to use. So like Streamlit for Python web apps, and the Replit for the online code execution. And then for hosting the web apps, you are supposed to use the Vercel. And then you are supposed to provide the application URL. And then here there are some tips and all for the submission. And then submission checklist. So based on whatever details, everything you submit, you are going to check all these details. And then so these are the submission steps. So this is the complete details about the hackathon details. So here you can go to this, like the start date, it is from 21st to 23rd, so it's a 48 hours of hackathon. So this particular hackathon is only designed to build AI agents. So you can just go to that, come up with different ideas, and then you can enroll for this. So here you can either create, or if you are individual, you can join in any of the team, so that you'll be in team, but you'll be working individually. And first thing is that once you register or sign up for that, so you can just create the IBM ID. So this is the first step for the hackathon. So here you can see, you can just create the IBM ID, give the like email address, you can submit, and then you'll be getting some OTP. Then once you verify the email address, like you can fill all the details and you can create an account. Then later you can just log in and keep, and then the other steps you are supposed to do it once the hackathon starts, that is from 21st onwards. So first you can just register for this hackathon, create the IBM ID and keep, and then if you are if there is a group of peoples, you can just create a team yourself, or else you can join in the existing team, and then you can just participate in the hackathon. So these are the complete details about the hackathon. So the link for this, it will be provided in the description, so you can just go to this and you can register for this. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.